Christmas is the sounds of grace. A joyful spirit fills the air we embrace. Merry Christmas is the melody of love, a song of hope that comes from above. Merry Christmas brings the warmth of cheer, a time for laughter, friends, and those we hold dear. May this Christmas remind us, hearts aglow, of the power of love in the light's warm flow. Merry Christmas, salvation through His name. In every heart, let ignited faith proclaim. Together we gather, hand in hand we stand, sharing our blessings across this wondrous land. In every carol hear our voices sing, joy celebrations, the hope that they bring. With every moment let love's light shine bright. This Merry Christmas, hearts united tonight. Merry Christmas is the peace we find, a special time to cherish, forever entwined. Merry Christmas, let our spirits rise as we celebrate